The first column of the periodic table is Group 1, known as the alkali metals, excluding hydrogen. In the previous videos, we already memorized the periodic table 118 elements in total 14 minutes. Periodic table elements is now as easy as turning on a movie. Now we will see how Group 1 column works in our everyday life. Let's dive in. Imagine, you give your toddler sibling a toy for birthday, but not battery. It will be a big tantrum. How battery actually works. A lithium battery powers toys by acting like a tiny, rechargeable electron powerhouse. Inside, it uses lithium particles that travel back and forth between two sides. When playing, the lithium rushes one way, creating a flow of electricity that powers the toy's lights or motors. The power of sodium. Can you imagine you made a dish or order a food and accidentally there was no salt there? How did it taste? The burger or fries isn't burger or fry without salt. It will taste like blended baby food. Yes, we use sodium as table salt in food every day. Either we know sodium or doesn't know. I wouldn't have known if I didn't have chemistry class, I guess, and I have to pass the class anyway. How sodium works in food: it unlocks taste buds, ion channel action, sodium ions Na+. NaCl, table salt, breaks down in food when it dissolves into its component ions. Sodium, Na+, and chloride, Cli, using saliva or moisture in the food. The sodium ions interact with receptors on the taste buds, sending electrical signals to the brain that are perceived as salty. Sodium suppresses bitter receptors on the tongue. Potassium support heart function, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. It balances sodium to regulate blood pressure and fluid levels. We got those from bananas, baked potatoes, avocados, spinach, and beans. Potassium is a key electrolyte that controls muscle contraction and relaxation by managing electrical charges across cell membranes. During contraction, potassium moves out of muscle cells to facilitate nerve signals, while it returns inside during relaxation. Adequate potassium ensures muscles contract properly and prevents cramps by managing this balance. We just take periodic table Group 1 elements every day, even though we like to remember that or not. Rubidium is not essential for humans, but it still has a tiny role in our bodies. The daily human intake of rubidium is 3 mg by foods such as beef, soybeans, etc., and drinking water. It is also found in coffee. Cesium is used in everyday life primarily for high-precision timekeeping in atomic clocks. This cesium clock, or atomic clock, is the official timekeeper in everyday life. It is used in satellites, which means when we use GPS in a car or on a phone to find a cafe, we are using cesium to know exactly where you are and what time it. The more we know the periodic table, the easier chemistry becomes.